Most people have never heard of Tirupur, but if you are wearing t-shirt right now, there is a good chance it was made here. The small city in Tamil Nadu powers global fashion brands, not with giant factories, but with thousands of small MSMEs working together. But now AI is changing the ecosystem again. In this video, I will break down how Tirupur really works, why this MSME model succeeded, and how AI will decide who wins next. What makes Tirupur different? Tirupur is not one factory, it's a system. One unit knits, one dyes, one stitches, one prints. Each MSME focuses on one job and does it extremely well. This specialization creates speed, it reduces risk, and it allows thousands of small units to compete with global giants. This is the first lesson for MSMEs. Scale does not come from size, it comes from coordination. The sustainability advantage. Global brands don't just look at price anymore. They look at water usage, consumption, and traceability. Tirupur invested early in sustainability. Zero liquid discharge system recycle water daily. Renewable energy powers production. This wasn't charity, it was survival. Brands reward compliance with long-term orders. That's why Tirupur keeps winning. Where MSMEs still lose money. Even strong factories leak profit. Fabric waste, manual quality checks, wrong demand planning, poor coordination between units. Most factories lose 15 to 25% margin silently. This is not a labor problem, it's a system problem. And this is where AI fits naturally. How AI strengthens the Tirupur model. AI does not replace people, it removes inefficiency. AI helps with demand forecasting, fabric cutting optimization, quality inspection, and supply chain coordination. Small factories get enterprise level intelligence without enterprise level cost. That's the second lesson. AI is multiplier for MSMEs. What this means for Indian MSMEs. You don't need Silicon Valley, you need focus, collaboration, and the right use of AI. Tirupur already proved that model. AI decides who scales next. Tirupur shows how MSMEs win together. AI decides who wins next. At Navis AI, we help MSMEs understand where AI fits, where it doesn't, and how to apply it profitably. If you want to build smarter, not bigger, contact Navis AI.